Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get TikTok back from official App Store. So at first open App Store, go to search option, search it to TikTok. So look here, when I'm searching to TikTok but not showing it to official TikTok apps from my App Store. So I'm provide a solution, no need to change your country or region without using VPN. So don't skip my video, please follow my full process. At first open iPhone settings, click on to profile, media and purchase, view account. So look at this, I'm living in United States, so I'm not change my region. So go out and just open Safari browser and go to search option, search it to www.pluginchat.com. okay, and get this option, go to search option, search it to TikTok, click on and start installation. It's processing. Okay, all right, so look here, have a condition, 2 apps required to install. When you complete these 2 apps install complete, set first. So you just click on to install, so it's installing. And the second, and it's already download. So this condition is you need to must be download 2 apps. So I'm just wait complete download. Okay, all right, after complete my download 2 apps, now I'm try to open App Store. So when you complete download 2 apps, then reopen your App Store, go to search option, search it to TikTok. So look here, I'm finally get back my TikTok. You just easily download and use. Okay, it's downloading. I hope you just follow my all process step by step. You get 100% back your TikTok. No need to change country or without using VPN.